Okay, so the next game is called sound effects. The way that this works is we have a player on stage, and the player on stage will not speak. And the person who has the microphone will be making the noises for them. Okay? And so here we go.
What are they doing? What are we doing?
We're going to pick a profession. Just give me a profession.
Taxidermist.
Taxidermist? Yes. Yes, problem at the taxidermy, okay? And action.
I did a ding. I did a buffering. I do.